without you. And I love it.
Let's do one location just to show you, one rotation just to show you how this thing goes. It, that does say left sleeve, right? I'll check the other side too, please. You don't want to overstretch them. If you overstretch them, you're going to cause misprints for yourself. Straighten your shirts out. See that seam? Make sure your surface is nice and flat. Get any wrinkles out. And long sleeves, they take a while, man. Just take your time. Go ahead. Go ahead, milk it. Milk the clock. Can't rush these. So you're gonna see here so far. I only have one. I only printed one. This is how I run all my jobs. I always send my underbase around one time first to make sure they're completely dry before I hit my roller or hit the roller frame. Still kind of wet. So make sure we don't have to do another rotation. Yep. And let's also, while we're at it, make sure that cardboard's covering the floor. Damn it. There we go. Good, right?
Yep.
Good. Now, check out the offload on this crap. This is why you gotta go slow.
That thing's long. Thanks. Long.
Come on, Khalil, you showing the people need to see you not fucking up. God damn it.
Yeah. Every job.
Yeah, you wanna, get these long sleeves. You wanna, first off, it's about getting in a rhythm.
Yeah.
All right.
Figure out the best way to do it.
You figure out the best way to do it. And then also you want to keep in mind when you're putting them on the belt, what's not going to drive your catcher crazy either. So there's a couple of components to this. As you can see, we're in a nice rhythm. You go nice and slow. Gotta take your time on these. Yep. And remember, as you go, the smaller your shirts go, the tighter the fit's gonna be. Right? So I just went down in size. I want to take my time and not overstretch them onto the pallet. If we're going at a good pace, we should be fine. See you on the next one.